So I'm here to tell you about LUMIX's best kept secret setting that even I am just starting to understand. You're also currently witnessing the LUMIX S52X with the E-Stabilization set to high. I'm not using a gimbal. The goals of this video is to tell you more about this secret setting and to find LUMIX at CES and interrogate them to tell me what we can expect in 2025. My name's Dustin, your video tour guide, and I gotta get going. I'll see ya.
By the way, this video is sponsored by UGREEN, and look, UGREEN's right there. So we're gonna go take a look and show you some of their products that they have. A little fun fact for you guys, this is actually the NAS that's sitting on my desk right here, the DXP 4800 Plus. And every single one of my YouTube videos are edited straight from this NAS. Pretty cool. It's basically like another word you could say is like a private cloud. NAS stands for network attached storage. So it's like a hard drive that's connected to your network at home and gives you tons more space and just makes it more convenient. Oh, and guess what? They also got a special CES discount for you guys. If you guys are interested in taking a look at some of their NASs, it's up to $225 off. So there's a link in the description if you wanna go check that out. But there's something else that I wanna show you that they announced here at CES, and that is this guy right here, their AI NAS. Let's go take a look at it. Now, what is the AI NAS and what does it do? Essentially what it has inside is a large language model that, based on the files and stuff like that that are stored on your NAS, like a more personalized AI based on what's in your NAS. So it's kind of cool. So something I can think of that would be pretty useful for me is the smart tags thing, because you know, manually tagging files can be a lot of work and take a lot of time, but with the smart tags, like if I need a piece of B-roll or I'm looking for a particular photo for a thumbnail or something like that, I could just use the smart tags feature and find that thing very quickly instead of having to search for it. So that's one of the other cool things that I could see being super useful. The AI chat is actually pretty cool as well, because let's say that I don't really know how to back up files on my AI NAS, right? My UGREEN NAS. I can click this and I can ask the AI chat, and then it's gonna walk me through the steps on how I can back up those files. So if you were a noob like me when it came to NASs before UGREEN, and this would be your first NAS, you gotta like personalized assistant that can tell you how to do the NAS. UGREEN also offers a whole bunch of other products as well, like this little guy, this little GAN charger. I use this guy, but they also introduced the world's first 500 watt GAN charger. This thing is crazy. You can actually charge up to 6 devices at once. And anytime some kind of product is on a rotating table like this, you know it's important. You know it's good. They also have Thunderbolt docks. One of them is a Thunderbolt 5, which provides up to 120 gigabits per second. Pretty wild. So again, in case you forgot, there's a link in the description that can get you up to $225 off one of the UGREEN NAS's special CES discount. Thank you, UGREEN, for sponsoring this video. I'm actually gonna hang out here at the UGREEN booth a little bit longer and show you more about this secret setting, Live View Composite. So essentially how Live View Composite works is when I press the shutter, it's going to continuously like stack images onto the picture, but it's only going to add the luminance level changes or the light changes. Let me show you. So first, it's going to take a noise reduction image that we're gonna use. And then when I click the shutter, the camera is continuously stacking images, but it's only doing changes in the light level. So if I take this beautiful green light here, because we're at the UGREEN booth and we're showing off the new UGREEN NAS, I can actually take the light and I can paint it in here. Like that. And then when I take it away, you can notice that it added in that green image in there. So now when I press the shutter again, it's gonna process that image. And there we go. We just did some light painting literally on easy mode. So if I were to do this the traditional way, I'm already way too dark. And now when I hit the shutter, I'd have to paint this in and kind of guess, because my viewfinder is black. I don't even know what it's gonna look like. It's probably gonna look terrible. It doesn't look that bad, but just look at the comparison from this image to that one. So much better And this was so much easier. Here, wait, this will be kind of cool. I'm creating some art, okay? So we take our frame. That was actually way too bright. Hold on, I messed up. So now we're gonna paint this in here. There we go. Maybe a little bit more brightness. Paint some of that green, there we go. Go to the lowest brightness here. And then we're gonna take this light and go around it. And look at that. And then we just press the shutter. And now we have our sick light painted image. Easy. By the way, if you want to learn more about how to use your LUMIX camera, I just launched an online course. Right now it's got about 2 hours of content talking about the video features on your LUMIX camera. And soon I'll have the photography section as well, but there's already over 70 students. Thank you, by the way, everybody who has signed up. Okay, I need to get past this music. Yeah, there's already over 70 of you guys that have signed up for the course. So seriously, thank you for signing up. I really appreciate it. It's just a one-time payment, gets you lifetime access to the growing library of videos that I'm working on. So check out the link down below, but I think we gotta go keep searching for Panasonic. We gotta find Sean and Matt and interrogate them. This is my first time at CES, and I'm actually trying to find the LUMIX/Panasonic booth. Like, I thought NAB was like a maze, but this is much more of a maze. I think it's this way, because I've looked it up on the map, and I have an idea, but like, there's just like walls everywhere. So you don't find it anywhere. You can't find it. Plus, since this is my first time being here, I'm just kind of getting really distracted by all the things. It's like this, there's just like this LED panel koi fish thing. I want to walk on it, but I feel like I'd be looked down on if I did walk on it. Well, we found a camera booth. It's the Nikon booth. Can't really see it here in the background. The bokeh, there it is. There it is. So it's a start. Well, couldn't find Panasonic today. You know, everybody started leaving, so we had to rush out of there. Started sorting us out, so just have to find out tomorrow. Hey, yo, Harris, come here. Have you ever taken a star trails photo before?
No.
Well, let me teach you how, at least on LUMIX, using Live View Composite. Click the shutter. Click it one more time. And now we wait.
How long?
It's good. Okay, I think it's ready.
All right.
It's cold.
Yeah, I don't have a sweatshirt.
I know. Okay, let's take a look. Just, and then you just press the shutter again. There you go.
I did it.
You've now mastered star trails on LUMIX.
I feel so much better at photography.
Ready? See our masterpiece? There it is.
Oh, whoa.
Isn't that kind of crazy? Because the traditional way of like doing this, you'd have to like set it to bold mode, and that took like 30 minutes.
Yeah.
And it would just get so bright because of all the Vegas lights that it would just be totally unusable.
Huh.
So, yeah, it's pretty sweet.
That's super cool. That's a freaking planet.
That is a planet.
I mean, the picture's cool too, but that's a planet.
That is a planet. We live on a planet. Fun fact. Fun fact, we live on a planet. If you guys didn't know, I don't know what planet you guys are from.
And look, I know that wasn't the most amazing Star Trails photo, but if you want to see some pretty amazing Star Trails photos I got using Live View Composite, here's some on screen now, when I was out in the middle of nowhere where there was no light pollution. The point I'm just trying to make is how easy Live View Composite is to use in order to get those shots that look very difficult. And doing it the traditional way probably would have been very difficult, especially in a place like Vegas where there's tons of light pollution. But it's just so easy, it's crazy. Isn't that right?
Yeah. What did you say?
Been getting into film photography. I actually bought one of those like little Kodak printers if you watched a previous video of mine, but they're kind of cool. Just take a little photo and print it out. It's kind of fun. The floor is about to close soon, and we really need to find the LUMIX booth. just so many things to see. Like we were just at another hotel and there was like a whole other floor that we haven't even seen yet, but yeah, we gotta hurry. Oh, this is cool. I wanna play it. No. Can't get distracted. Little kitty. We're getting distracted. LUMIX, not there. Definitely not there. Do you know where the LUMIX booth is? Maybe we'll have to ask somebody. Excuse me, do you know where the LUMIX booth is?
No.
No worries, thank you. Do you know where the LUMIX booth is? Do you know where the LUMIX booth is?
I have no idea.
Okay, you're good, thank you. Try somebody else. Do you know where the LUMIX booth is?
I have no idea.
No worries. I'll find it. It's like a maze, you know.
Let's do it.
What is it? Oh, yeah, it's loading. Yeah, you're trying to find something like me. I just gave up, and I'm like, you know what? I'll just ask people. So, yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, you're good. Thank you. We'll find it one of these days. What time is it, anyways? I've only got like 15 minutes till the floor closes, so we finally found it. I don't know how I missed it. This booth is massive. I don't think I can go that way. There's like, I don't know, water spraying down, but I gotta hurry. It's my last day here, and the floor is closing pretty soon, so we gotta hurry. I gotta find out what the new camera is. Stay tuned. Should we tell them? Yeah. Okay. If we had any information, we couldn't tell you. All right, that's. Yeah. Sorry, guys. They say that Panasonic's not cool, and there's literally Steve Aoki right there at the booth, DJing. Maybe I should come to CES more instead of NAB.